अभी ये जो मीन लगन है, आई एम सॉरी, इसमें जब सैटर्न चला गया है तो आपकी लाइफ कैसे इम्पैक्ट करेगा ये पता करना है हमें। ओके, सो
जी।
व्हाई डोंट वी स्टार्ट विथ जस्ट शनि क्या है, व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ सैटर्न, डू यू एग्री? एक
या
बार
दैट्स
रिफ्रेशर कर
इम्पोर्टेंट।
लेते हैं।
जी।
तो आज की जो टॉपिक्स हैं थोड़ी लंबी हैं, तो एज आई स्पीक आई होप पीपल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट शनि। एस्ट्रोलॉजी में कहते हैं कि जो शनि है वो सूर्य देव का बेटा है, बट सूर्य देव के रिलेशन उनके साथ अच्छे नहीं हैं, सो फादर एंड सन डोंट गेट अलोंग। इसलिए एस्ट्रोलॉजी में सन की एनिमी सैटर्न है, सैटर्न का एनिमी सन है। एक शो में हमने ये भी कहा था, द बेस्ट वे टू लुक एट एस्ट्रोलॉजी प्लैनेट्स इज टू लुक एट देम एज डे टू डे लाइफ। Sun is king and Saturn is the common public.
जी।
The king does not necessarily have the time to manage the common public every day, and the common public is generally in awe and envy of the king. That's why ये love hate relationship होता है। शनि को वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी में सैटर्न कहते हैं, और ये ऐसा प्लैनेट है विच इज अ ग्रेट टीचर। While Jupiter is grace, wisdom, luck, Venus is beauty, Saturn stands for teacher. सोचिए आपके स्कूल में एक कोई ना कोई टीचर होगी हु इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट, हु वुड नॉट लेट यू जोक, जो हर एक चीज नोटिस करते हैं, एंड एट द सेम टाइम वुड पनिश यू सो यू बिकम अ बेटर स्टूडेंट। उनका गोल सिंपल है, वी नीड यू टू सक्सीड। बट दीज टीचर्स आर ऑफन मिसअंडरस्टूड, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट सैटर्न इज। सैटर्न इज अ मिसअंडरस्टूड प्लैनेट। ये एक डरावना प्लैनेट है, बट इसके जो कोर प्रिंसिपल्स है ये हमारे कैरेक्टर, हमारी लाइफ और हमारी डेस्टिनी को बहुत शेप करते हैं। फास्ट मूविंग प्लैनेट्स बहुत है, मर्क्यूरी, मार्स, वीनस, लेकिन शनि सबसे स्लो मूविंग प्लैनेट है। ये हर जोडियक साइन में 2.5 ईयर स्पेंड करेगा, और इस 2.5 ईयर्स में आपको एक स्ट्रिक्ट लेसन देके जाएगा उस घर में। अगर शनि आपके बच्चों के घर में है, इट विल टीच यू टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू स्पेंड टाइम विद देम। इट विल टीच यू द वैल्यू ऑफ चिल्ड्रन। अगर शनि आपके हेल्थ के घर में है, देन ही विल टीच यू हाउ टू मैनेज योर हेल्थ। इफ यू डोंट, ही विल पनिश यू अबाउट इट। So Saturn is so important because body structure में bones, teeth, muscles, joint, skin, these are all run by Saturn. कभी कभी हम कहते हैं इसमें स्टेमिना बहुत है, दिस पर्सन इज एबल टू रन, दिस पर्सन इज एबल टू रिकवर फ्रॉम हार्डशिप्स। ये गिरता भी है तो भी रिकवर हो जाता है। डू यू नो जितने एथलीट्स होते हैं दे ऑल हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सैटर्न, बिकॉज सैटर्न इज द एबिलिटी ऑफ यू टू रिकवर। अगर एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है तो शनि देखना पड़ता है। अगर लेंथ ऑफ लाइफ देखनी है, शनि देखना पड़ता है। कितने घर आएंगे, प्रॉपर्टी आएंगे, शनि देखना पड़ता है। दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लैनेट इज नॉट नेसेसरली इन्फ्लुएंसिंग ओनली फिजिकल थिंग्स, ये मेंटल फ्रेमवर्क को भी बहुत इम्पैक्ट करता है। सैटर्न गिव्स यू द गिफ्ट ऑफ पेशेंस, ही गिव्स यू द एबिलिटी टू वर्क हार्ड। ये इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन नहीं देता कि आज आपने काम कर लिया इमीडिएटली रिजल्ट पता, नो। सैटर्न टेक्स टाइम। ये कहता है कि मैं जो आपको दूंगा धीरे से दूंगा, आई विल मेक श्योर यू विल गेट बेस्ड ऑन योर एफर्ट्स। और शनि का कार्मिक रोल सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है कि थिंक ऑफ सैटर्न एज योर अकाउंटिंग पर्सन, जो आपकी हर एक एक्शन ट्रैक कर रहा है, हर एक एक्सपीरियंस से आपको सिखा रहा है, गुड एंड बैड। सैटर्न आपको चैलेंजेस देंगे, बट दैट इज नॉट टू पनिश यू, इट इज टू टीच यू। देयर इज अ बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू। These challenges will feel difficult because they are not course of normal life. हमें डर लगता है कि ये आने वाला है, why will I deal with it? But every challenge that Saturn gives you only makes you stronger, और एक hidden gift के साथ आता है। ये एक opportunity देता है आपको छोटी सी लाइफ में जो आपकी है, to build something lasting, something meaningful. अगर आप honest effort डालोगे तो शनि आपको guaranteed देगा, more than what you can expect, more than what you can imagine. So that is what Saturn really is.
We do have a caller waiting. Can we start taking calls?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hello. Hi, Dr. Bhatia. So I
Hi.
have a question.
Yes.
So I'm struggling to find a home for the past 7 months. I'm looking for a property. when do you see me
Okay.
finding a home? And I'm on H1B, considering the layoffs and the job loss which is happening nowadays. Do you think I'll survive with my job and will I stay here long term so that I can buy the home at the time which you mentioned?
I think your question should be asked the other way around. First, you should focus on your career and then we should talk about the house. Because buying a house and then selling it, if you do end up losing a job, is not good for you. Na? Let's start. What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is August 6, 1986.
Place of birth
Place of birth is Patna, Bihar.
and time of birth?
Time is 9:26 a.m. morning, basically.
So 9:26 a.m. in Patna, Bihar, right?
Yes, 6 August 1986.
Correct. That's done. 6. Can you repeat the time again?
9:26, 9:26 सुबह
Okay.
के.
9:26 बिहार में. तो आपकी कुंडली बन गई है. इट्स रेडी. योर ए वर्गो असेंडेंट, इसे हम हिंदी में कन्या लगन कहते हैं. योर मून इज सिटिंग इन इट्स ओन हाउस विच इज कैंसर. तो ये राशि भी स्ट्रांग है आपकी. अभी आपके क्वेश्चंस है रिगार्डिंग करियर एंड रिगार्डिंग प्रॉपर्टी.
Property.
Generally तो शो पे we try to limit it to one, but as far as career goes, I can safely say that the next 1 year for you will be good for your career.
Okay.
This part we know. It is going to be good for your career. Now उसके आगे जो 1 साल के बाद आएगा, you are going to run a dasha of Sun and Venus, which is going to make it slightly difficult for you because Venus dasha means a dasha of moving away, leaving away. So be careful. As far as property goes, हम सिर्फ 4th हाउस देखते हैं. It is important to that and शनि. तो अगर हम 4th हाउस आपका देखें, that is उसमें मार्स बैठा है, कोई दशा नहीं है उस पर, कोई एस्पेक्ट नहीं है. Neither are we seeing any positive transit. So my recommendation to you is, it is not an advisable time for you to buy a house yet. You may
Okay.
not like that answer necessarily, but my thing is caution. अब घर का टाइम नहीं आया. राहु नहीं है, सैटर्न नहीं दिख रहा है, जुपिटर नहीं दिख रहा है उस पर, ना ही उस प्लैनेट की दशा है जो उसमें बैठा है. सो व्हाई रिस्क इट एंड बाय द हाउस? यू वोंट अचीव मच. बी लिटिल केयरफुल. योर जॉब सीम्स ओके. एक बार जुपिटर आ जाएगा, इट्स ओके. इफ यू डोंट मेक दैट स्विच सून, you may be in trouble if sun's Venus dasha starts for you. That's all I'm trying to tell you. So be little careful. वो दशा नवंबर में आती है आपकी. Till then, I don't recommend buying the house. I definitely don't. Okay.
And sir, where do you see me long term settling in US or going back to India?
I cannot answer that here. But that question will really take time. उसके लिए एक शो में कहा था, we have to study your 7th house, 4th house, 6th house, 12th house. So फिर
So,
we'll
in
have
short,
that.
do you see any job loss happening in the Venus Sun Dasha, or is it fine? Will it be
Yes.
fine?
No, I do see it. That's the problem.
Okay.
Okay. I do see
Okay.
that.
Thank you.
Sorry. Bye.
If you have further questions, do connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia directly by calling 408-639-5300. Listeners, सुन रहे हैं आप the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Dr. Bhatia directly on the number 408-639-5300, or if you want to call during the show, the number would be 510-770-1550. So we were talking about Saturn, and you explained it pretty well. Like, what is the significance? What's the basic nature of Saturn? So now it has gone in the Pisces. So can we understand a bit of Pisces as well?
देखिए, as far as Pisces goes, Pisces is the last sign, right, of the zodiac. ये तो पहले भी कहा है.
Mm-hmm.
ये final sign है. Their signs are also divided into fire, earth, air, water. Pisces is a water sign. Signs are also divided into cardinal, fixed and mutable. It's a mutable sign. एक फिक फायरी साइन होता है जो आउटगोइंग, जो सब कुछ करना है. Earthly sign is more interested in property, but Pisces is an emotional sign. ये spiritual sign है. Natural zodiac में the 12th house is the house of spirituality, एंड शनि वहां आ गया है. सो व्हाट वी आर टेलिंग पीपल इज, ये जो म्यूटेबल साइन में जब सैटर्न आया है, विच इज अ टीचर, ही इज टीचिंग यू टू बी मोर इमोशनल एंड टू बी मोर स्पिरिचुअल. स्पेशली अगर आपका मून बाय एनी चांस इस घर में बैठा है पाइसिस में, देन इट विल इम्पैक्ट यू इवन मोर. इसका मतलब आपकी पीक 7:30 स्टार्ट हो गई है. ये जो म्यूटेबल वाटर साइन है, ये एक डेप्थ लाता है आपकी लाइफ में, विच विल टच यू एंड क्रिएट एन एनवायरनमेंट जहाँ इमोशंस बहुत होंगे आपकी लाइफ में. गुड इमोशंस, बैड इमोशंस. Pisces is a learning experience for you to do your emotions. You will have lots of issues in relationship. You will have issues in knowledge. You will have issues in spirituality. If you have Moon in Pisces and Saturn is transiting it right now, you're going to struggle with these three things: relationship, improving your own knowledge. By that, I mean managing your ego, and spiritual understanding. But Saturn can also be used positively in Pisces, right? Saturn की जो energy है, it can impact Pisces. For people who are naturally drawn to spirituality, this is a very good time for them, right? They can start going into something like yoga, meditation, and so on. On the other hand, for people who are thinking of leaving this country and going back, it's a sign that says, okay, you have 2.5 years, your time to move on has come. So prayer, meditation, long-term move, that has come into play. ये जो combination है, it always causes meaningful travel. Not long-term, but meaningful travel. जितने लोग pilgrimage पे जाते हैं, जो कहते हैं हमें एक बार, you know, ये मंदिर देखना है, गुरुद्वारा देखना है, मस्जिद देखना है. It almost always happens when Saturn transits Pisces. So you'll see a lot in the next 2.5 years to do with spirituality in the world. You'll have a lot to do with religion. You'll have a lot to do with people traveling. लेकिन ये जो प्लेसमेंट है, ये इजी नहीं होती. सैटर्न कुछ इजी नहीं देता ना. Saturn is a very strict planet. So, and Pisces requires free flow of energy, free flow of water. So जब something restrict करता है तो conflicts आ जाते हैं. So people will struggle in their own needs. Should I give up my work and try getting more into spirituality? Should I leave behind this nice job and move back home? Should I travel when I can keep working here? You'll have to choose. One of your foot will be in the material world, while the other will be in what we call the spiritual world. तो इसके पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स ये हैं, अगर हम देखें ना, जैसे पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स, Saturn will bring discipline into you, egos will be let go, humility आती है, persistence आता है, और dedication आता है. It's a good time to self-respect. Again, this is more for people who have moon in their Pisces. It's a good time to set emotional boundaries. Some people, blast out at others and गुस्सा आ जाता है. It's a great time to strengthen your commitments and goals with others. ये एक challenging aspect भी है, क्योंकि you have to show signs of maturity, restructuring, figuring out कि आपकी लाइफ में क्या बात है और आपको exactly करना क्या है. Responsibilities बढ़ेंगी आपकी towards family, towards loved ones. Relationships will be tested. So timing is important. Key dates are Saturn went into Pisces March 29th, 2025. जुलाई 13 को retrograde चला जाएगा. So he starts moving backwards. फिर November 28th को he'll start moving forward again. फिर एक और retrograde है July 27th, 2026 में. फिर end of December he starts moving straight again. So today is the 1st of April, right?
जी.
He's not getting out till the end of 2027.
It has
Can you
just
imagine?
started.
He has just started. This transit again will really depend on the strength of your ascendant. It will depend on so many other things. But in general, for people who are listening to this show, travel will start for lots of people. Pisces is the last sign. बहुत impact पड़ेगा world spirituality पे, आपकी spirituality पे. There'll be big movements coming about religion and spirituality and meditation and so on. And you will see that happening. You will see, and when you do, hopefully you remember कि show में बात किया था.
जी, definitely. And more than religion, I think mentioning spirituality gives a lot of hope to everyone. So let's take another call.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Zakir Bhatia.
Hello, Dr. Jamatia. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay. I just wanted to ask about since we are discussing about Saturn. In my son's chart, I think we have Saturn in exalted state in the 6th house. I just wanted to see like how his future is going to be based on the exalted Saturn.
Give me his date
His
of birth.
date of birth, his date of birth is 12th January 2012.
Place of birth.
Place of birth is Pleasanton, California.
And time of birth.
Time of birth is 1:35 p.m.
Okay. So your son has a exalted Saturn sitting in the 6th house. Correct?
Correct.
Saturn is a very good planet here, right? He's the lord of career and he's the lord of luck. He's also the lord of foreign travel. Your son is very young. He's only 13 years old. What is the
Correct.
specific question?
The specific question is what kind of career will he go towards exalted Saturn?
So career is not determined by Saturn. Career is really determined by the placement of the 10th lord in Navamsh. Saturn will be essentially how hard your son is able to work. So we know Saturn is very strong here. In the Navamsh chart also, he's sitting with Venus. He's very strong because he's very close to Libra. Saturn, although you may consider it exalted, it is exalted at a certain degree, no? Correct? Do you agree?
Okay.
Saturn is always exalted at a certain degree, and that degree is 20 degrees. But he is at 4 degrees, so he's very strong, though not exalted. It gives your son the ability not to just work hard, but to lead, to essentially lead a big team, manage a big team. Now, 10th Lord is Saturn. In the Navamsh Kundli, it is sitting with Venus in the house of Mars. Okay, so we have to keep that in mind. From the Sun ascendant, the 7th house, the 10th house is Mercury, and he's sitting with Moon in the house of Moon. So now you're getting Moon and Mars. And finally, from Moon ascendant, we have Venus, which is again sitting with Mars. So what is your son wanting to do? What is his goal in life? Let's start with that.
At this time, I think he'll be interested in basically going in engineering or medicine, but I think he's too young for that. He's not determined anything so far.
So we are having a relation when you look at from the Moon ascendant, and if you look at the main ascendant, we are seeing correlation with Saturn, Mars, and Moon.
Okay.
But Saturn, Mars, Moon typically means Mars is engineering, hardware, AI. Moon is more of medical dentistry. So this is not a chart of somebody who will do medicine. It's a chart of dentistry. Now, if we look at his career lord, he's also placed in the house of service. It's more of a hardware chart as opposed to a dentistry chart. Hardware engineer, AI engineer is what I think he should be, and that's what he should do. But overall, it's a very good chart. I like the placement of Moon, especially in this boy's chart. It's good.
Currently, he's running Venus Mahadasha. At this point of time, I think he'll basically have a Saturn until the show soon.
It already started, but the thing is,
okay.
He's so young. He is so young. His Venus is also not mature. Correct? It's a very immature planet yet. So you have to wait for Venus to mature before the dasha gets over to give the best results. And better results you will start seeing somewhere in 2028 when those planets start giving mature results. An immature planet like Saturn will mature at 34. It's not going to give the results he wants. So don't worry about that. Venus is going to give him good results now. That is good. Before that dasha ends, he'll have some positive result, followed by Sun, which is again family relations with mother, father, and home. Okay. He's more of a hardware guy, AI type field. That is what he should do. Okay. Good luck.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
To all the listeners tuned in and listening to us, the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show live सुन रहे हैं आप रेडियो जिंदगी पर. Every Tuesday 4 to 5 p.m. Dr. Bhatia joins us and he brings his expertise in astrology, in Vastu and in numerology on air to all of you guys. And you have this wonderful opportunity to call and connect during this show. And to connect with him after the show, you can just simply call 408 639 5300 or log on to his website, saketbhatia.com, to know more about him, to get all the contact information, Or if you have any particular question, write to him info@saketbhatia.com. And we are talking about Saturn entering Pisces, which recently happened. If you have any question regarding this or anything else, you can give us a call. 510-770-1550 is the studio line number. Again, the studio line number you can call till 5 o'clock is 510-770-1550.
I think Vedika एक चीज हम करते हैं. I
जी,
want to go a little more in detail in just Saturn. Okay. एक
okay.
शनि के characteristics की बात करते हैं. Just understand what Saturn is. Yes, उसकी थोड़ी सी कहा था कि it is more like a teacher and stuff, right? But let's just understand कि ये signification क्या है, इसकी characteristics क्या है. Okay. So
Mhm.
when you think of Saturn, think of that strict teacher you had. Okay. But when you think of a person, think of a farmer जो बहुत हार्ड वर्क करते हैं लाइफ में
जी,
एंड दे डोंट नो कि एंड में रिजल्ट्स क्या मिलेंगे, मिलेंगे कि नहीं मिलेंगे. इट ओनली मेक्स देम स्ट्रॉन्गर. यू कैन नॉट टेल मी दैट अ फार्मर इज जस्ट सिटिंग एट होम वेटिंग फॉर हिज क्रॉप्स टू ग्रो. करेक्ट. दे हैव टू वर्क
not at
वेरी
all.
हार्ड इन द फील्ड.
जी,
एंड कभी बारिश हो गई, खराब वेदर आ गया, क्रॉप्स विल डाई. दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्किंग हार्ड एंड इट गिव्स देम प्लेजर टू सी that crops are growing and people are being fed. So Shani is like that. When you think of a farmer, lots of muscle, lean, more wheatish complexion. That is what Shani is. Shani is also the older person who is slow moving. वो भी शनि है. So Shani can be, when you look at someone जिनका शनि बहुत strong है, you will almost always find somebody who's muscular, more on the wheatish side, whose body is able to recover and is able to do a lot of work. Significations क्या है? Saturn represents hard work, justice, fairness, longevity of life. It also represents discipline, right? Abhi, it owns two houses, Makar and Kumbh, which is Capricorn and Aquarius, respectively. 10th house kya hai? Career, profession, authority, all run by Saturn. How hard you will work, how high you will rise in your career, relations with your peers and people above you, Saturn. 11th house भी उसका है तो gains का मालिक हो गया. Aspirations, social circles, social standing, all run by Saturn. Saturn when does very well when he is aspected by Mars, sorry, by Mercury or Venus. लेकिन अगर कुंडली में मार्स और शनि एक ही घर को देखते हैं, they can cause damage to their house. अगर आपको देखना है कि आपकी लाइफ कितनी लंबी है, शनि को स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए. अगर हमें देखना है आप कितने घर लोगे, कितने बड़ा घर लोगे, शनि को स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए. Saturn will also give us clear indications of professions you will follow. Vedika, interestingly,
जी,
अगर हमें आपके teeth, bones, knees, joints, nervous system, ears, अगर ये सब देखना है, muscles, we must study Saturn. Again, teeth, bones, knees, joints, nervous system, कान, left and right ear, it's related to Saturn. Diseases में, he can cause arthritis, he causes osteoporosis, he causes dental problems, chronic pain in the body. He also causes depression, anxiety, fear, isolation. Nervous systems को डैमेज करता है. पैरालिसिस का यही लॉर्ड है. अगर शनि ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग हो गया तो पैरालिसिस देता है. Sometimes people are tied on a wheelchair all their life, right? Some people are in coma for decades. शनि बहुत स्ट्रांग है. वो इतना स्ट्रांग है कि लंबी लाइफ देता है लेकिन डैमेज भी देता है. So be careful. For all listeners here, if Saturn aspects a house, a sign, and that house lord, it will cause significant damage to that area of the body. For example, if Saturn aspects the fifth house, the fifth sign, and the fifth house lord, we know for a fact कि अपनी दशा में ही या अपनी ट्रांजिट में he can damage your stomach. You can have, अगर राहु है तो we know you may have stomach cancer. You may have some ulcer, something in your stomach you'll have.
Mhm.
अगर शनि आपका बहुत स्ट्रांग है, farming, mining, working in oil and gas sector, real estate, because Saturn controls real estate. Venus controls luxury of the house, not real estate.
जी,
Public service, ये भी इसका है. Meditation, spirituality, ये सब all covered by Saturn. Remedies भी है शनि की. हनुमान चालीसा पढ़िए, कीप अ फास्ट ऑन सैटरडे, दिया जलाइए मस्टर्ड ऑयल का, नीलम पहनते हैं काफ़ी लोग, विच यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट हाउ यू वेयर इट। शनि जब पाइसिस में है, फॉर दोज जिनका साढ़े सती है, अवॉइड लेजीनेस, अवॉइड प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन, डोंट बी अनएथिकल, don't disrespect people, don't break your promises, and don't have irregular routines. Do what you think is right and do it right. uh, I know this is a little tricky, but that is really what I wanted to introduce on Saturn. It's strict planet hai, you
Ji.
have to be very careful.
Can we quickly take a call? A caller is
Sure,
waiting. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Namaste, Dr. Ji. Very nice program.
Namaste.
Always enjoy your program.
Thank you.
All the details what you give. My birthday is April 15, 1969. Birthplace is Pune and time is 9:55 a.m.
Could you repeat that so I got it correct?
April 15, 1969. Birthplace
Got
is
it. Okay.
Pune,
In
9:55
time.
a.m.
Okay, so all right. And
9:55
question क्या है आपका?
ये शनि का भी हेल्थ पे कैसे असर होगा? Yes, means for this 2.5 years. Just concerned because my health is a little bit of getting back. I was always a healthy person, but now a little bit changes are coming up.
So this shows actually for you because your moon is in Pisces, correct? You know that. आपका जो चंद्रमा
Yeah.
है वो Pisces में है, and Saturn has just entered Pisces as of 2 days ago, 3 days ago. तो आपका साढ़े साथी स्टार्ट हो गया। जब शनि आया है उस घर में, वो मून को कुछ तो करेगा, एंड मून रिप्रेजेंट्स योर थर्ड हाउस एंड फोर्थ हाउस, विच इज नेचुरल जोडियक में तो फोर्थ है, तो फ्रेंड्स को थोड़ा इम्पैक्ट करेगा, हॉबीज को इम्पैक्ट करेगा, एंड आपकी हेल्थ को तो जरूर असर पड़ेगा। दशा चल रही है मून मून की, इस कुंडली में सैटर्न इज नॉट अ बैड प्लैनेट, ही इज अ गुड प्लैनेट। और शनि जो है डिबिलिटेटेड है आपकी कुंडली में, ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू कॉज एज मच हार्म। योर क्वेश्चन इज हेल्थ कैसी रहेगी, राइट?
Yes.
I don't see much happening to your health for the next 2.5 years. I don't see anything bad happening. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Simple
Thank
answer.
you for that.
But you have to be careful
Yeah.
of 2.5 years के बाद, क्योंकि उसके बाद
Mhm.
शनि आपके सूरज पे जाता है, शनि उसके ऊपर जा रहा है, and they are completely aspecting your health house. So my suggestion, जैसे डॉक्टर कहते हैं, start preparing for what could be not a good next 2.5 years after that. तो अब से लेके 2.5 years तक टेक प्रिकॉशंस, ईट हेल्दी, डू एक्सरसाइज, गो टू योर डॉक्टर, जो हो सकता है करो, बिकॉज 2027 एंड के बाद इट मे बी अ लिटिल ट्रिकी फॉर यू, दैट्स ऑल आई एम सेइंग। ओके,
Oh, okay.
बट नथिंग टू
Thank
वरी
you so
राइट
much.
नाउ फॉर 2.5 years. Yeah.
Rest off because so many planets are sitting in the one house. Sometimes it gets scared by क्या होगा आगे, क्या उनकी मालिक है, what their power is, what they will bring in for us, right?
I would not worry. I would not worry about it at all. Think of the planets as actors on the stage, right? जिनकी जिनकी दशा चल रही है उनके बारे में है। अगर सैटर्न नॉर्मली होता, आपके मून पे नहीं होता, देन थिंग्स वुड बी डिफरेंट, बट सिंस ही इज ऑन योर मून, ठीक साढ़े सती स्टार्ट हो गई, कुछ तो होगा, समथिंग इमोशनल ब्रेकडाउन, नर्वसनेस, वरी, ये स्टार्ट हो गया आपका। कीप इट अंडर
ये
चेक,
बात है। Yeah, worry also is there.
कीप
I was never a person to worry, but I'm started getting worried. Yeah.
keep it under check because Saturn is not that strong to cause damage. इस कुंडली में शनि अच्छा प्लैनेट है, तो he cannot do
Yeah.
much damage, right? Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Right.
So, to all the listeners, if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, or if you just want to know more about your birth chart or understand it better, you can always connect with Dr. Bhatia either directly by calling 408 439 5300, or we have few more minutes left in the show. You can give us a call at 510 770 1550. And sometimes it confuses you when you read that Saturn is entering Pisces or such events, but how it will impact you personally, what are the good and the bad happening or might happen, and how you can keep it in check or do some remedies about it. These could be few of the questions you can call and connect, and there could be many such questions. So feel free to reach out directly at 408 639 5300, or write to him info@saketbhatia.com. And again, studio line number for a quick question is 510-770-1550. So, as I heard you mentioning to one of the callers that the question was about a kid, that it is not mature yet. So, people who are Pisces and they might be listening to our show. So, as Saturn matures at 36, right? I hope I'm not wrong.
Correct.
So
Okay.
then people younger than this age or those who don't have a mature Saturn, so will it be impacting it differently or how will we see the changes in them?
So if you are under 5 years old, साढ़े सती तो आपको असर करता ही नहीं. It is
जी
considered to be very weak.
जी
Uh, different planets mature at different age. मतलब उनकी strength आ जाती है. They are able to give their results.
right
Saturn matures, yes, you're right. Saturn जो है वो mature होता है 36 पे. But 36 पे he starts telling you what discipline is in life. You know, Vedika, when you were
Mhm.
younger, I'm not saying you're older now, but when you were a lot younger,
जी
you didn't life में you have some freedom, you know, you're carefree, you enjoy your life. फिर जैसे जैसे बड़े होते हैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आ जाती हैं, एक स्केड्यूल बन जाता है, दिन ऐसे चलता है, डिसिप्लिन आता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाट सैटर्न डज. If you are under the age of 36, really Saturn Sadhisati will impact you, but not as much as you think. There are different ways to do this. One, पहले देखिए आपकी कुंडली में सैटर्न स्ट्रांग है कि वीक है. अगर सैटर्न वीक है तो कंसिडर दिस टू बी गुड फॉर यू बिकॉज उसका असर थोड़ा कम है. टू, इज सैटर्न द लॉर्ड ऑफ अ गुड हाउस और अ बैड हाउस? बाय गुड आई मीन 1, 4, 7, 10, 5 और 9. अगर उनका मालिक है तो डैमेज थोड़ा कम करेगा. देन अपने मून के स्ट्रेंथ को देखिए कि आपका मून कितना स्ट्रांग है. योर मून इज वेरी स्ट्रांग, देन आई कैन ऑलमोस्ट सेफली से कि साढ़े सती आएगा जाएगा, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. This happens in the charts of many people, like politicians, businessmen who start. I gave an example where Narendra Modi became prime minister in Sadhisati or Manmohan Singh became prime minister. It takes away something, but it gives you something else. So don't worry कि आपका साढ़े सती start हुआ. असर तो पड़ता है, but limit में. And maturation is critical. If your moon is mature, Saturn is mature, but moon is very weak, then it may hammer you. So for listeners, don't make wrong decision. Don't get carried away कि ओ शनि चला गया पाइसिस में, दुनिया खत्म हो गई. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. दुनिया चलेगी, अच्छी चलेगी. This astrology always has more good planets and less negative planets. Astrology has more good yogs which give you, and negative yogs don't take away, they hinder, they create challenges. Astrology is actually for human growth. Even after death there is something good out there, right? It is not the end, and that's what astrology says. मुझे सिर्फ I want to discuss the impact of Saturn entering Pisces for different ascendants if we have time for that.
we have a caller waiting. Can we quickly take
Sure.
a call and then continue?
Yes.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
जी हेलो साकेत जी, हाउ आर यू?
Namaste. Good. How are you doing?
डूइंग गुड, थैंक यू. जी साकेत जी, मेरी डेट ऑफ बर्थ है December 16, 1984, रात के
Okay.
2 बजे, नागपुर महाराष्ट्र.
रात के 2 बजे in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Okay.
दैट्स राइट. यस.
And your questions?
Yeah, my question is that how will be my job this year? My last year performance came out to be very bad, and I'm at the risk of getting laid off. So I just wanted to know, like, how it will be this year, because I'm again not very happy with everything going at work. So just wanted to get some insights.
देखिए, आपकी जो कुंडली अगेन December 16th 1984 2 o'clock in the morning in Nagpur. आपका जो ascendant है is a Virgo ascendant. Your moon is very very well placed in ascendant, and ascendant lord वो आपके हॉबीज में बैठा है. आपका करियर इज रूल्ड बाय मर्क्यूरी विच इज रेट्रोग्रेड एंड कंबस्ट. कंबस्ट प्लैनेट जो होता है वो डिफिकल्टी देता है ओनली इफ इट इज वेरी क्लोज टू सन एंड सन इज लॉर्ड ऑफ अ डिफिकल्ट हाउस. इन दिस केस दे आर एक्चुअली गोइंग टू गिव यू ट्रबल. बट आपके लक में ये है कि जुपिटर जो इस कुंडली में अच्छा प्लैनेट है, ही इज ट्रांजिटिंग ऑन योर करियर इन जून. हियर इज माय सजेशन फॉर यू. आपकी जुपिटर और सैटर्न दशा चलेगी, and Jupiter and Shani is a dasha of making money. Go get another job now. You may not get one right now, but keep trying. Even if you lose your job, you will get another job. June ke baad, it's a very good time for your career for the next 1 year. Be selective, be wise. Take on a good responsibility and a good job. If you're a little nervous about this, start looking right now. I personally
If
think
it is
you're
good,
getting a step up.
sorry. Sorry, one question, Sakitji. If my Kundli is supporting, then it will happen good in the current place too, right?
That is correct. But you said you're not happy. So my suggestion as an
Yes,
astrologer
yes.
is, अगर if you're खुश नहीं हो तो बाहर try कीजिए, मिल जाएगा. The economy is bad.
Oh,
People are not getting jobs. But with Jupiter transiting your career house and running that strong dasha, you will get a job. You will
okay,
absolutely
okay,
get a job. Start applying.
okay,
Because क्या होता है,
okay, okay.
जुपिटर 1 साल बाद निकल जाएगा, एंड उसके बाद आपकी जो नेक्स्ट दशा स्टार्ट है वो जुपिटर मर्क्यूरी की है, विच इज अगेन which may represent a job loss because they're 12 houses away. Correct? So think that way
Uh-huh.
also. Better to get something now as opposed to sitting and then saying, ye kya ho gaya saal baad. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you very much, Sakitji.
Good luck.
Thank you for your call. If you have further questions, you can always connect Dr. Saket Bhatia directly by calling 408 639 5300. So let's discuss about the effects the situation will put on different ascendants, as you were mentioning.
तो अगर आपका मेष लगन है, which is Aries, then you will see gradual improvement in financial matters. आपकी लाइफ में जो छोटी मोटी चीज बची हुई थी, they will start getting done. Your life will start changing on material stability. So this is a very good thing for you. Mesh Lagan ke liye, this is going to be nice for the next 2.5 years. Money will come into play and that will be great. Taurus, Vrishabh Lagan ke liye, time for growth opportunities, networking expansion, starting a business. Again, Aries and Taurus ke liye, they are wonderful. Aries ka to khair, you'll make money through financial matters like stock market. And Taurus, you'll make again money or something through investments, friend, networking. Gemini ke liye, if you are working in a company, expect promotion. Expect something good where you have a level of authority. But caution is, you need to balance your work and personal life क्योंकि responsibility बहुत बढ़ेगी आपकी. So be careful about that. It's great for work. कर्क लगन के लिए, कैंसर के लिए, higher education जो आपकी अटकी थी should be completed now. If you are thinking about traveling long distances or switching your job, unfortunately, this also applies to you if you think you may be laid off. You may have to go back home. Legal matters will start coming into play for you. And if your father's health is not the best, then start looking into that carefully because father की health को बहुत impact पड़ेगा कर्क लगन के लिए. Sim लगन, which is Leo, inheritance की chance है. You may get some property. Financial planning कीजिए because you have some money which is coming, but at the same time, it will not last too long. Easy come नहीं है, but it may go away a little faster. Virgo, which is the 7th house, is all about relationship, right? So focus on relationships, business partnerships. If you're not married, good time to get married now. If you're Virgo, compromise करना पड़ेगा अगर relationship में कोई issues है. So for Virgo, the 2.5 years will just be focused on relationships at all. Tula Rashi, which is which is Libra, your health will be under check. You may have good work, but overall health, body parts, gut needs to be checked. We are not expecting the best year for you when it comes to that. Vrishchik jo hai, Scorpio, you will have to attend significantly to your children, whether it is their education, their health. It's a good time to invest in opportunities, stocks, brilliant time for you, and hopefully growth for your children. Sagittarius ke liye, mother's health will come into effect. Also, your own mental health, emotional stability, property matters, chances of, again, moving out, losing job is very high. Capricorn, might bring issues between siblings. बड़े छोटे भाइयों के बीच में issues देगा, problems हो सकती हैं. Expect lots of travel and go build up your courage because you need it for the next 2.5 years. As far as Aquarius goes, family matters will come into effect and financial problems आ सकती हैं. Be careful about what you say, how you say, when you say, to who you say. And finally, Pisces. ये तो सैटर्न में आ गया. सो वी नो कि शनि जब अपने एक साइन में आता है तो 30 इयर्स के बाद आता है तो मेजर लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो जाता है. पर्सनल चैलेंजेस आएंगे, हेल्थ विल नीड अटेंशन, फैमिली विल नीड अटेंशन, करियर विल नीड अटेंशन. बेसिकली कुंडली में जो 12 घर है, everything will come into play in these 2.5 years for you, little randomly at different magnitudes. So if you are a Pisces ascendant, be very careful because this really impacts you. For all listeners out there, Pisces ascendant का ये मतलब नहीं है वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी पे. हमारा Pisces means वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी के बेस पे, जो हर 2 घंटे चेंज होता है. इफ यू आर अनश्योर कि आपका ascendant क्या है, go on my website, enter your details and you will come to know आपका ascendant क्या है. There is no good or bad in Saturn transiting a house. There is no positive or negative. For some people, it is good because they've worked hard. So जब हमने कहा ना वेदिका कि this is a good time for your finances,
जी.
it doesn't mean कि you'll suddenly invest in the market, you'll start making money. No. You should have already been doing that. So you've learned your lesson and now it is the time for you to grow. अगर आपने नहीं किया है, then unfortunately you won't get the complete benefits. शनि आपको ट्रेन करके रिजल्ट देता है. So for people who are going to have, let's say, issues with their siblings, you have to have some courage to deal with it because those issues that were there are now going to come more into focus in your life. So plan out. If you are again confused क्योंकि हमने थोड़ा fast बोला है, you can watch the show or you can email me. I'd be more than happy to answer your questions and talk with you. But अगर आपकी कुंडली कहती है जॉब के चांसेस हैं, go get a job. Nothing will stop you. If your kundli says it's better for you to go back home, don't get scared. You're not the only one going back to India or going back home. Yes, you feel uprooted. You are just as uprooted today as you were uprooted when you came here. It's a full circle.
True.
वो time खत्म हो गया. Why are you feeling bad? What can you do about it? Nothing. Correct? When something is not in your hands, it is not in your control, then why should you even worry about it too much? In fact, you should plan for the next leg. Okay, if I'm going to go back, what can I do? Can I get the job there? Can I start a business there with my experience here? Is there a way for me to come back here if I'm so much in love with the place? ये सोचिए. Your options are there. Life never ends. कोई full stop नहीं होता. एक रास्ता बंद होता है तो 100 और खुलते हैं. You just have to choose कि आपको कौन सा रोड लेना है और कब लेना है, right?
Absolutely. And the way you explain about Saturn, and there was a fear factor, which I have heard since growing up back in India. Here also, there was a fear associated. But as I hear you explaining it, and things obviously make more sense when Saturn is termed as a teacher, or when there is a Saturn dasha. It's just the hard work and being ready for it. That's what everybody should be thinking, not fear from it. So thank you so much for that. And I'm sure if I'm feeling that way, listeners who are tuned in and listening to this are also echoing the feeling which I'm sharing. So, listeners, if you want to know more about your birth chart, if you want to know more about anything we discussed in the show, as Dr. Bhatia just mentioned, you can go back and listen to the show on Radio Zindagi Facebook page, or you can always email info@saketbhatia.com, where you can write to him directly, info@saketbhatia.com, or do visit the website, create your own birth chart. You just have to put your date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth, and there will be a birth chart created for you. You can get more the information through the website, or always connect to him for an explanation or a detailed in view of what's happening there. So again, the number where you can reach him directly is 408-639-5300. So we are just left
We've all,
with
yeah,
Ji.
we've all had some teachers in school who were very strict, right?
Yes,
Uh,
but they
you
shaped our
don't.
life.
That's what I'm telling you. You don't go late to their
Absolutely.
class because you're worried कि, you know, I don't know, आज की डेट में तो नहीं पड़ता, उस टाइम पे डंडा पड़ता था.
Consequences,
If you
yes.
if you talk in class, डंडा पड़ेगा. This one
जी,
teacher you hated, but at the same time you respected. Hate भी था
right.
कि I
जी,
can't stand this class, but respect है because they are so dedicated, and that teacher would never take, no matter how much you tried to please them, they don't accept it. It's your grades that depend on your performance, not on how nicely you talk to the teacher or how you know, if you bring a gift.
flattery.
ऐसा नहीं चलता
जी,
ना. And that is Saturn. Flattery नहीं चलेगी यहाँ. I
जी,
am Saturn, I am the rule. शनि जिस घर में बैठ जाता है उस घर को रूल बना देता है. Maybe perhaps one day we can talk about placement of Saturn or different planets in different houses. तो लोगों को और पता चलेगा अपनी कुंडली के बारे में कि जो प्लैनेट बैठा है वो क्या कर रहा है. Saturn generally when it sits in a house, like if it sits in your fourth house, it gives you very strict mother, a
okay.
mother who expects too much from you, who, you know, at the same time is overly cautious and very caring for you.
जी,
That can be good and bad for you in two ways, right? So we'll discuss that. अगर शनि आपके 10th house में बैठ जाता है, makes you work in the same company for too long, in the same job for too long. So don't worry. It's Saturn is not all bad. It does a lot of good too. Okay.
thank you so much for another informative session. And listeners, we'll be back next Tuesday. Don't forget to tune in 4 p.m. sharp only on Radio Zindagi for the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show. Thank you so much for joining us on air. I'll see you next Tuesday.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi. KZDG 1550 AM